first step to finding our newspaper collection is opening a new internet browser window. Click the address bar and type blogs.libraries.rutgers.edu/NJDNP. This URL will take you directly to the home page of the New Jersey Digital Newspaper Project blog. Next, find and click the Available Newspaper Titles button near the top of the page. The Available Newspaper Titles page features a complete list of our currently available digitized newspapers and information about when our papers were published. To view a paper, click on the picture of its title or the blue hyperlink below. In this video, we will select the Evening Star and Newark Advertiser. Clicking this link takes us to the landing page for the Evening Star and Newark Advertiser on Chronicling America. Chronicling America is the federally funded newspaper database where all of our papers are stored. From here, click Calendar View on the right side of the screen. Calendar View allows users to see all of the years and days when newspapers are available for a given title. Select a year from the drop-down menu to the left of the calendar. Then, select a newspaper issue by clicking its date in the calendar. All available issues have a blue hyperlink. When you click on a date, you will see thumbnail images for all of the available pages in that date's issue. Click on a thumbnail to view an entire page. Now, you are in the page viewer. Once loaded, the page viewer can be zoomed in and out using the scroll wheel on your mouse, or by using the plus and minus buttons on the top left corner of the page viewer. In the page viewer, click and drag your cursor to change the position of a page. If you click the Home button in the top left corner of the page viewer, or refresh your browser, your current page will be reset to its default position. From the page viewer, a newspaper page can be downloaded as plain text, a PDF, or a JPEG 2000 image file. Be aware, many computers require additional software to open JPEG 2000 image files. To see other pages in the viewer, click the left or right arrow next to the word Page at the top of the page viewer. Click All Pages to return to the thumbnail view. Any pages you have already viewed will have a red hyperlink below their thumbnail. You can also perform a keyword search of the papers in our collection using Chronicling America. In the address bar, type chroniclingamerica.loc.gov and hit the return or enter key. This URL takes you directly to the homepage of Chronicling America. Under Search Pages, click on the All States drop-down menu and select New Jersey. Using the From and To drop-down menus, choose a range of years in which you'd like to search. As of June 2020, our oldest issues were printed in 1852, and our most recent issues were printed in 1924. In the search bar, enter your keywords. In this video, we will use the keyword Rutgers. Click the red Go button to the right of the search bar to begin your search. Now you will see thumbnail images for all of the New Jersey newspaper pages that contain your keywords within the specified date range. When you click a thumbnail and enter the page viewer, your keywords will be highlighted in red on the page. Thanks for watching!